In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Xero to Microsoft Excel in just 5 minutes. We're going to make the process as quick and straightforward as possible so you can seamlessly integrate these two useful tools and streamline your financial tasks. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Xero accounting software. To do this, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Xero login page. If you're not already familiar with Xero, it's an online accounting software that makes managing finances easier for small businesses. Once you are on the login page, click on the login button. It's quite easy to spot, usually located near the top right of the screen on most browsers. Go ahead and enter your email and password. If you've forgotten your credentials, there's typically a link for recovery or to reset your password right there on the page. After you've entered your details, click on the login button again and you'll be redirected to your Xero dashboard. Here is where you can see an overview of your accounts, recent transactions, and other handy information in one place. Next, you'll want to find the connected apps icon. It's typically represented with a symbol of interconnected squares or similar imagery, symbolizing the various apps you can connect with Xero. Click on it, and you'll see a list of apps that can be synced. From this list, select Sync Hub. Sync Hub is an intermediary platform that helps you sync your Xero data with Excel seamlessly. Once you click on Sync Hub, you'll be taken to its platform where you'll see your existing Xero connections. Now in Sync Hub, find and click on your Xero entry. This links your Xero data to Sync Hub. You should see a couple of options once you're there. Look for and click on either Report or Sync depending on what you want to achieve. If it's your first time here, don't worry, the system is designed to guide you through the next steps with prompts and tips. Finally, once that connection is established, you'll be able to use both Xero and Excel concurrently. This integration allows you to pull financial data directly from Xero into Excel, making it easier to create reports, analyze data, and manage your accounting tasks efficiently. Congratulations! You've now successfully connected Xero to Microsoft Excel. This connection lets you leverage the powerful data management tools in Excel alongside Xero's robust accounting functionalities. Whether for creating reports or simply having better data visualization, having these two tools synced is a real game changer. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.